This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Daignault. Walk to the beach and Paradise Beach Park from the spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom half-duplex. Nicely updated kitchen and bathrooms. New interior paint and fresh flooring make this home feel new to you. Convenient location, close to shopping and dining and the beach/ocean. Yard maintenance is included in the rent. Owner will consider a dog, no dangerous breeds, but no cats, allergic, with a $500 pet fee, half of which is refundable. For more information or a showing, call Barry Taylor 321-795-7074 for more information. Review the details below or contact Christine Daignault at 321-591-3228.